All right, today we're going to review the coordinate plane. And so I have here a picture of one, and we're going to label the different parts of the coordinate plane. So here, the horizontal axis is known as the x-axis. And then our vertical axis is known as the y-axis. I'll label that. And then where they meet, this is called the origin. So they meet at 0, 0, and that is called the origin. So this point, right here, it's kind of hard for me to get it on here. That is called the origin where they meet. And now we're going to use that to graph some points. So on this next one, it tells us to start at the origin. So we start at 0, 0, and then move to the right 6 units, and then move up 4 units. And you always start with the x-axis. So you always go over and then up. So I'm going to go over to the right 6 units and then up 4 units. So you can see that our point's going to be about right here. So again, it's kind of hard for me to make it in the right spot, so that's why it's so big, but you'll be able to do it a lot easier on your page. So over 6 and then up 4. And the way that we would write this is going to be in parentheses. You put 6 and then comma 4. So I really need to practice with this pen, but it's going to be 6, comma 4. That's what our ordered pair would look like. All right, so we're going to look at another example. So on this one, it says to start at the origin and then move 3 units right and then up 5 units. So now I'm starting at the origin, I go over 3, and then I go up to 5. And so this ordered pair is going to be 3, comma 5. So remember, the x value comes first and then the y. All right, so we can also, if we are given the points, we can find where they're located. So that's what we'll do on this one. So if I'm finding point E, then I look and I go over, and I can see that it's over 2, and then it's up 5. So the way that I would write that would be, again, 2, comma 5. So over and then up. So F, you can see we would go over 5, and then we go up 2. So this one is going to be 5, comma 2. So if you notice, the order does matter. E and F are not at the same spots. So 2, 5, we've got E, but then if we do it over 5 first and then up 2, we have F. So, make sure that you are always going over and then up. And, we actually have 4 quadrants in the coordinate plane. So when you get in 6th grade, you'll have some that are going to be negative. So you may have to go down if you have a negative number. But for now, we're just going to focus on quadrant 1 and just have positive numbers. All right, so this page is also very similar. And I'm going to let you go ahead and practice on it. So I'm going to let you do this one on your own. If you have any questions, let me know.